Welcome to a guide on storage account types in Microsoft Azure. Let's dive into the different types of storage accounts available for your Azure subscription. A storage account in Azure is like a container for all your Azure storage data objects, including blobs, Azure files, queues, tables, and disks. When you provision a storage account, you need to provide a unique name as the data within it is accessible globally. There are several types of storage accounts available, each with different features and pricing models. These include General Purpose V2, General Purpose V1, Blob, File, and Blob storage accounts. Each storage account type has unique features such as premium performances for blobs and append blobs in blob storage accounts and high performance characteristics for file storage accounts. All storage account types are encrypted using storage service encryption for data at rest. Additionally, zone redundant storage and geo zone redundant storage are available for specific storage account types in certain regions. Now that you have understanding the different storage account types, you can make an informed decision when provisioning storage for your Azure resources. Let's dive into the world of Azure Blob storage. This object storage solution in Azure is perfect for hosting massive amounts of unstructured data, including images, documents, video, audio, log files, backup data, and more. Why use blob storage? Blob storage is ideal for serving up images and documents on a website, streaming video or audio, storing log files, backup data, archive data, and data for analysis. It's a versatile solution for a wide range of data storage needs. Accessing objects in blob storage is easy. You can use HTTP or HTTPS, the Azure Storage REST API, Azure PowerShell, Azure CLI, or an Azure Storage Client library like Java, PHP, or .NET. When discussing blob storage, familiarize yourself with storage accounts, containers, and blobs. Storage accounts create a unique namespace. Containers organize blobs. And there are three types of blobs: block blobs, append blobs, and page blobs. Welcome to an introduction to Azure Files. Today we are diving into the world of Azure Files and exploring its incredible features and benefits. Azure Files is a fully managed solution that provides cloud-based file shares accessible via the industry standard Server Message Block Protocol or SMB. It's a game changer for organizations looking to streamline their file sharing and storage process. One of the key advantages of Azure Files is its compatibility with various operating systems including Windows, Linux, and macOS. This flexibility allows for seamless integration with different types of deployments, making it a versatile solution for diverse IT environments. Organizations often use Azure Files to replace or supplement on-prem file servers, especially with the added benefits of Azure Files AD authentication. It's also a valuable tool for lifting and shifting applications to the cloud, particularly those that rely on file shares for data storage. With Azure Files, you can say goodbye to the complexities of hardware management, OS installation, and server maintenance. It's a fully managed, resilient solution that empowers you to create, mount, and manage file shares with ease using familiar tools like PowerShell commands and Azure CLI. So say hello to new era of efficient cloud-based file sharing with Azure Files. Welcome to an introductory look at Azure Queues. We'll explore the purpose of Azure Queues and how they are utilized. Azure Queues are designed to store large number of messages which are used to facilitate communication between the components of distributed applications. These messages are accessed from anywhere in the world through authenticated calls via HTTP or HTTPS. The Azure Queue service consists of several key components, including the URL format, a storage account, a queue, and messages. Accessing a queue requires a specific URL format, which includes the storage account name and the queue name. All access to Azure storage services is provided through a storage account, which acts as the overarching container for your Azure storage. The queue itself is a set of messages, and when naming a queue, lowercase letters must be used. Messages in Azure Queue can be up to 64 KB in any format, and they play a crucial role in facilitating communication between different components of a distributed application. Welcome to an introduction to Azure Table Storage. We'll explore what Azure Table Storage is and its practical applications. Azure Table Storage is a service by Microsoft for storing structured NoSQL data in the cloud. It offers a schema-less design, allowing for flexible data storage without rigid schema constraints. Organizations use table storage for storing user data for web applications, address books, or device information. It's ideal for scenarios requiring the storage of large amounts of structured, non-relational data, such as terabytes of data for web scale applications. Azure Table Storage consists of storage accounts, tables, entities, and properties. Each entity can be up to 1 MB in size and can include up to 252 properties. The URL format for accessing Azure Table Storage is displayed on your screen. Leverage Azure's table storage to store and query massive sets of structured non-relational data. It's a powerful tool for organizations needing flexible and scalable data storage solutions. Welcome to Azure Managed Disks, Benefits and Encryption Types. Azure Managed Disk offers 99.999% availability, making them highly durable with three replicas of data stored in each disk. They also facilitate easy deployment and scaling of VMs, supporting up to 50,000 VM disks per region. Integration with availability sets and zones ensures application protection from failures. Azure Backup supports managed disk backup and restore with Azure role-based access control, providing granular access control. Additionally, managed disk simplify the process of uploading on-prem VMs to Azure. There are two encryption options, server-side encryption and Azure Disk Encryption. SSE provides encryption at rest by default, while ADE encryption OS and data disk using BitLocker for Windows VMs and dmcrypt for Linux VMs. In Azure, there are three disk roles, data disk, OS disk, and temporary disks. Data disk stores applications and have a max capacity of 32 terabytes, while OS disk hosts the VM's operating system with a max capacity of 4 terabytes. Temporary disks are not intended for important data storage and are often lost during maintenance events. Azure Managed Disk offers unparalleled benefits and encryption options, making them a robust choice for your virtual machine storage needs.